It's not easy, like it's very difficult. The whole world is suffering due to this COVID-19.
You always gave a ride.
Gurdev Singh has been doing his best to keep his two young children entertained while they're stuck in quarantine in this Melbourne hotel.
One step, two step.
In February, the Singhs went on a family holiday to India, just before that nation went into lockdown. It took them 4 months to get a flight home.
It's my daughter.
Now they're caught up in Melbourne's escalating outbreak.
We didn't even go out, not even for a minute, just stayed in the hotel rooms for 14 days just to keep ourselves safe and my family safe.
For the second day in a row, Victoria has a record number of new cases, with 191 discovered today. The Premier says it can't continue and has announced a new lockdown for metropolitan Melbourne and the Mitchell Shire.
Staying at home except for the 4 reasons to leave, effective from midnight tomorrow night for a period of 6 weeks. There is simply no alternative other than thousands and thousands of cases.
I'm, of course, really disappointed to be going back to lockdown, really disappointed to be hearing 191 cases. That is a significant number, but I was expecting that this would happen should cases continue to increase. So I think it's the right decision, and Melbourne is in a tough position at the moment, but we'll get through it.
Returned travellers in hotel quarantine have been identified as one likely source of the outbreak. Despite the infection risk, Gurdev Singh claims that when they arrived, they found their hotel room had not been thoroughly cleaned.
We found other people's hairs in the bed sheets, nails on the carpet, some food particles and food wrappers under the bed and stuff like that.
Hotel management disputes this, saying the room has been given a deep clean.
Finally, time to go home. Masks are on.
After months away, the Singhs finally returned to their Craigieburn home yesterday to find their whole suburb is now under lockdown.
We're going to stay home because we're going to follow the government guidelines because obviously they are trying to protect the other people as well.
You can't go to work, you can't go for a walk. You're just expected to stay within your household. It's really confronting.
Tana Siraj is facing even tougher lockdown restrictions at this public housing tower in Flemington, where she lives with her parents. The university student says her family is worried because they don't know where the positive infections have occurred and movement inside isn't tightly controlled.
But if we come in contact with someone that has the virus and we don't have it, that makes us an additional person that now is a new case.
As the number of positive cases in the towers rose to 69 in total, she claims authorities have been too slow to deliver essentials like fresh food and sanitary products.
We called the hotline, we said, hey, we need sanitary pads, we need milk, we need groceries.
What we've been doing to help the people in lockdown is providing sanitary items for the women and girls who are locked down, as well as formula and nappies for the children.
Donna Stolzenberg runs a charity that's been rushing to deliver essential items for mothers and women inside the towers. She says it's unclear how quickly supplies are getting through.
We're seeing on social media as well many people posting very distressing comments about not having access to nappies and sanitary items and food, which is literally what we've got here, that we have organised with the other organisations to bring in.
Tower lockdown is heartbreaking, really. They do seem harsh, but you need to act early in these situations, unfortunately, because if you wait and see numbers escalate, it becomes too late to have an impact. I would love to see more nurses and social workers involved right on the ground, because I know that they would do a great job.
In response to the escalating spread of the virus, New South Wales will close its border with Victoria from midnight tonight. Separated by the Murray River, the cities of Albury and Wodonga may be on different sides of the border, but lives and livelihoods here are closely intertwined.
Most families would have a member of a family that would either go to school or go to work across the border. There's services that are available in Albury that aren't available in Wodonga. Just by necessity, people have to be crossing the border on a daily basis.
Alan Taylor runs this skate park in Wodonga, but he lives across the border in New South Wales.
Whether it's myself getting to work, customers making it to the premises for their lessons, but also my staff are heavily impacted. I've got staff that live on both sides of the border. So, they're confused about, do I need a permit?
The Taylors are nervous about what the border closure will mean for them because they work in Victoria and their kids go to school there. They are yet to receive permits to cross.
It just impacts, the logistics of trying to get 3 kids organised on any day is challenging enough, but if we've got to try and factor in waiting to cross the border, working out whether the childcare is still going to operate as normal, just throws a big spanner in the works.
As people's lives continue to be upended due to the pandemic, Daniel Andrews is asking Victorians to be patient while a statewide solution for schools is found. Senior students return on Monday, but for others, holidays will be extended by a week.
I'm very scared to send my kids to the school on term 3, and they should close the schools at least so kids can be safe and start doing the online study.
If we didn't take these steps today, I will not be standing at this podium saying there's 191 cases. I'll be reporting hundreds and thousands more than that, and then it will get right away from us and we will have thousands of people in hospital, and we all know what that means.
Hi, I'm Lee Sales. Thanks for watching this story. If you'd like to watch more of 7:30's stories, they are on the left of your screen. And tap on the button below to subscribe and get the latest from ABC News.